Hi, welcome to Cute Things by Rebecca. I am Rebecca, and today I'm going to show you how to make a cute little lollipop holder with a raw edge applique. So, very similar to my other candy holders. I don't have very many, but this one's just got a raw edge applique, and you can do it a couple of different ways. It's up to you. On this one, I did it over the entire base. The one I'm going to show you, I'm going to trim right at the placement step. So I'm going to show you how to make this. They're cute and fun for Valentine's. I have a couple of them releasing. So super cute. So these are the supplies that we'll need. I have hooped cutaway stabilizer. You can use whatever you want. Just like any project, make it your own. Use the supplies that you would like to use. I'm using vinyl, some really pretty shimmery vinyl. You can use felt. I did felt with this one, or any other non-frame fabric. So you want a front piece, a back piece, and a piece for your applique. If you want to line it, grab some lining. You can use vinyl or olifun or whatever. I use olifun because it's real thin and it helps keep the bulk down. Grab some lollipops, and I'm gonna put little ribbons on the top, but you can put them on the bottom. Just dress them up however you like, and I'll show you how I do those. I just slice 2 slices and then weave the ribbon through, and that's why I have my straight blade and a cutting mat. Completely optional. So the first step on the machine is a placement step, so go ahead and run that now. I'm going to do that. I'll be right back. Okay, so we ran our placement step. Now just take your main fabric, vinyl, and place it over the entire placement step if you want, or you can kind of, because this is going to be applique and we're going to cut this piece off, and you can get it close to that if you'd like. So I'm going to place mine like so, and it's just going to stitch a heart on so the fabric is secure. Okay, so our heart is on. The next step on the machine is a placement for the leaf. I'm going to run that, but I'm going to trim this first. Now, if I had this all covered and I did it like this one, I would run the placement step right now. But see where the applique is? That's where it's going to, placement. This is what's going to stitch out as far as the placement goes. So I'm just going to trim here. Because I know that's where it's going to go. So you can do it this way or you can do it the other way. I'm going to go ahead and run that placement step, and you can see where it goes. Okay, I did run the placement step. I did it in green. So that's just the placement step. Now what you want to do is take your applique fabric and place it over that section that just stitched for you. I'm going to do that. I will be right back. Okay, so now our little applique piece is on. So now you just want to just cut close to the stitches. So with raw applique, there's usually a placement and a tack down, and that's it. There's no cover stitch, or satin, or anything. So we want our products to be sometimes cute, always cute, but less stitch intensive. And sometimes the satin on things, it takes time. The little dots on the strawberry, they're going to take some time. There are a lot of little dots. So there you have it. It's coming along like a cute little strawberry. So the next step on the machine are all the little seeds. So I'm going to run those. I will be right back. Okay, we got our seeds all on there. Now the next step on the machine is it's just going to do this outline of the leaf here. And then the step after that is going to do the heart. But you want to add your lining if you want to do lining. You can trim up your little seeds. They all jumped. So clean up your seeds if you want. Add your lining. Run the next 2 steps. There's 2 steps because they're different colors. You know, for this part and this part. So that's why I did it that way. I'm gonna do those 2 steps. I'll be right back. Okay, so our lining is on and our stitches are covered. The next step on the machine is gonna be a circle. So go ahead and run that now. I'll do that and I'll be right back. Okay, so you have your circle for your lollipop window. Just trim out the inside of the circle. And then if you want to add clear vinyl, so you could put some little smaller candies in there if you wanted, you would do that after you did the circle, and then place it on the back, the clear on the back, and then run that next stitch. But I'm not doing the clear, so I'm gonna trim this, and then I'm gonna skip that step and do the very last step, which is the pocket. But I'll be right back after I trim that. So I trimmed my circle out. I'm going to skip the next step because I'm not adding clear, and I'm just going to place my backing piece over the entire design. Now it's going to make a pocket. It's going to sew from these points down, and it's going to leave an opening for your lollipop stick. But I like to cover the whole thing so I can, you know, attach them like so on both sides. So you can do it however you'd like. I'm gonna run that. I'll be right back. So now it's all done. Your pocket is on. I left the pocket. I was gonna bring it up here, but in case you have those bigger heart lollipops that you want to use, they'll be able to slide in. So I just left the pocket bigger. It's not really gonna affect anything. If you cut it here, your lollipop will still stay in there. But I'm done, and I'm just going to trim around. And so this is how you do a little raw edge applique design. I'm going to try to make some extra videos coming up on a couple of my other items. So if you have any suggestions of videos that you want me to make, just let me know. I guess you could cut that applique leaf part afterwards so you don't have to cut so close like I am. I don't usually, I like it doing it the other way with the whole back and then the leaf on top. But I wanted to show you how it was. You'll probably look at it and be like, oh, I want it like that, because they are a little different. Like this one has a little edging around it. I think it looks cute like that. It looks cute either way. But there you have it. There's your little cute little strawberry lollipop holder. My little things are in the way. We'll use a little dum-dum here. There we go. Just like so. And now if you want to add ribbon or something to the top, you can put an eyelet there and hang it. It's up to you. And you don't have to do this. I just like doing the little ribbons. So what I like to do is just slice with my straight blade, just a little slice. 2 of them, so I can weave my ribbon through and make a little bow. There's lots of ways you can do this, but I thought this was cute. Let me grab a lollipop. Grab a little pokey thing so I can weave it through. I'm going to try to get it on video. And weaving your ribbon is easier said than done. So like I said, you don't have to do this. I just wanted to do this. Maybe a needle. Oh, there goes. A little pokey thing. Oh, I should have used my stiletto, but there we go. Where's my stiletto? I'm just gonna push it through. Maybe if it doesn't poke the ribbon through. Like I said, there's easier ways to do this, I'm sure. I'm just not thinking of the right way. There we go. And you just tie your little bow. And I'm not good at tying bows. I mean, I'll end up making it cute, but there you have it. It's a cute little strawberry lollipop holder thing. Fun for Valentine's Day. I hope you like them. I think they're cute. Thanks for watching.